In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to signal that you have a question or comment without interrupting the speaker and how to lower your hand when you're done. Let's start with the basics. The raise hand feature is a simple non-verbal way to let the host know you'd like to speak. It puts a hand icon next to your name and, in most meetings, adds you to a queue so the host can call on people in order. It's great for classes, team meetings, and webinars where there's a lot of people and you want to keep things organized. Begin by joining a Zoom meeting as you normally would. Make sure you're connected to audio and that your Zoom window is active on your screen. If the bottom toolbar isn't visible, just move your mouse or tap your screen and it will appear. On that bottom toolbar, look for the reactions button. It's marked with a small heart icon. Click it to open a small menu of options. This menu contains non-verbal feedback and fun reactions, but for our purpose, you're looking for raise hand. Now click raise hand. As soon as you do, Zoom highlights that status for the host and other participants. You'll usually see a small hand icon appear near your name, and in many layouts, it may also show on your video tile. This tells everyone that you're waiting to speak, and in larger meetings, it helps the host manage the flow of conversation. If you're wondering whether it worked, check the bottom of your Zoom window. The reactions area will change to show that your hand is raised, and Zoom may display a brief confirmation. At this point, just stay muted and wait for the host to invite you to talk. When it's your turn, unmute, share your question or comment concisely, and then prepare to lower your hand. When you're finished, lowering your hand is just as easy. Look again at the bottom toolbar where you clicked before. You'll now see a lower hand option. Click that, and the hand icon will disappear from your name, letting everyone know you're all set. In many meetings, the host can also lower your hand for you, but it's good practice to do it yourself as soon as you're done speaking. If you don't see the reactions button, try maximizing your Zoom window or moving your mouse to reveal the toolbar. Keeping Zoom updated also helps, since icons and labels can change slightly between versions. And remember, in webinars, raising your hand alerts the host, but they control when you can unmute or speak. That's it. You've raised and lowered your hand in Zoom smoothly and professionally.